Assemble in seconds. Polypropylene non-woven fabric covered body with clear vinyl window. Clear mouth with magnetic closure for easy access. Dimensions: 10 by 10 by 10 inches. Collapsible and easy to store, the bottom of cube pulls upward and walls fold on top of each other into a very thin, flat profile for easy storage. Sturdy reinforced thick cardboard walls for long-lasting storage. Perfect for organization of toys, books, sports equipment, linens, clothing, etc. For over 70 years, Whitmor has been bringing top reviews from the United States. Sturdy, super cute, kid-friendly. So cute and fits perfectly in the bookcase I bought for added storage and cleanup capability. Bright, well-constructed and kid-friendly.